you know that Google VEO 3.1 is capable of producing such powerful, clean and cinematic videos just like the one that you have just watched? But if you don't have Google VEO 3 credits or you don't have the budget to purchase a Google Gemini Pro plan, well, I'm happy to announce to you that this tool is capable of allowing you use Google VEO 3 for free. So make sure you stay until the end of this tutorial so that you won't miss out as I show you a walkthrough of how to use this app and how to also access it for free. And if you're yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will become a part of our growing family and won't miss out when we share similar videos just like this one. And on this channel, we share tips and tricks to help you win in the online space.
So I'll reveal the name of this website shortly, but stay with me. Let's explore this website together. You can see here it says Free AI Video Generator 2025. The best thing about this AI generation tool is that it uses or it is powered by the latest model of Google's AI video generator, which is the Google VEO 3, right? So you can see here it says create stunning AI videos instantly. So scrolling further down, you're going to be seeing other features that this tool has. And one of them is this one that says 100% free forever, and it is available worldwide, can be downloaded anywhere. So how it works is the first, of course, you describe your video, which is where you get to prompt the AI tool, right? So you get your prompts. If you can't get your prompt off your head, of course, you can use ChatGPT to generate your prompts, right? With ChatGPT, you can get detailed prompts that, describes the lightning, the action. Because one of the important things with AI video generators is that if you want to get the best out of it, you want to ensure that you give it good descriptions. Another thing is that this AI tool, aside from being free, this AI tool also do not give you outputs with watermarks, right? Which is one of the issues that we usually have with most free AI tools or most AI tools that actually allows you to use their free version. So you download your video and then you're seeing watermarks everywhere. One of the things that I've been learned to do when I use those free AI tools and their watermarks is when I take them to edit on CapCut, for instance, I just put either my logo or the logo of the brand that I'm working with, so it just covers it, right? So that's the trick that I've been using. But with this AI tool, you can actually download for free without watermark. Another thing is you can actually create videos up to 10 minutes long, right? So if you're going to be using the normal Google VEO 3, instead of Flow AI, of course, you know that you can only create 8 seconds long videos, right? But inside of this one, you can actually create longer videos. Now, another trick that I usually use that allows me to create longer videos even inside of VEO 3 is that I usually generate my images or my still images using Nano Banana, right? So I ensure that I get consistent images from Nano Banana and then I animate using Google VEO 3. So that's like topic for another day, right? So go to the comment section and let me know if you maybe want me to show you how to do that. And I'm going to go on to show you a detailed tutorial of how to create longer form videos for maybe ads or marketing or whatever it is you want to do. Okay, so the name of this tool is called AI Gen Max. So it says 100% free AI video generation. So all you just need to do is to go to your browser and type in AI Gen Max, and then it's going to bring you to this interface right here. And then if you want to learn more about the tool, you can go on to click on learn more. And then if you want to go on to generate your video right here, you just click on generate video now, and then it will take you to the studio where you're going to be generating your video. So you can either generate a text to video or you can do image to video. So whenever I'm generating videos for marketing, I always like to use image to video because that way I'm able to maintain consistency in terms of character, their looks and everything. Though one of the drawbacks with Google VEO 3's image generation is that they are not yet able to, maintain voice consistency with characters. So sometimes when you generate a particular voice in one scene and you want that same character to speak with the same voice, you find out that the character is different. So in that case, if I need to actually create videos where all the characters are speaking I would then have to use other tools. So if you're going to be doing text to video, all you just need to do is to enter your prompt. So you can see below here, it says be specific about scenes, action, style, and mood for best results. So like I said earlier, then you can actually choose your aspect ratio. So if you're going to be doing a video for YouTube, for instance, of the aspect ratio is going to be landscape. And if you want to do portrait or square, portrait for social media use, and then maybe square for Facebook and other platforms, you can also do that. So you can also create different video types. You can do a product demo, you can do a nature scene or food video or whatever. Then you can also do image to video. So say for instance you generated an image from another tool, you can now come here to upload the image and then give it a prompt that is now going to convert that image into a video or animate the video, right? Now, one thing I found out with this tool while I was trying to use my phone to generate a video is that it doesn't work as well as the actual View 3 platform works, right? So I tested it with an image, right? I wanted to convert a video into an image, and then it's changed the entire image, right? And it just went to the prompt. It just picked the prompt and used the prompt to generate an entirely different video. I was quite pissed, right? Because I was expecting something really good since it was View 3.1. And another thing is that I wanted the characters to be singing, right? But then the music actually came out, right? The music came out quite all right, and it was really great. But then the characters were not, were not the ones that were actually voicing the song. It was just like a background music and all. Another thing is that when I tried to download the video from my mobile phone, I was not able to download it, right? So usually when you finish creating a video, you're going to be seeing the download button there, right? On my mobile phone, I clicked on download, it was not responsive. And then there is usually this three dotted line on the video that you can actually click to still download it, but then the download button was not showing. So like I said, I'm going to try to use my laptop to test this tool and see how it works, right? If it doesn't work as much as I want it to work, then it means that I'm just going to stick to using Flow AI and using the View 3.1 model instead of Flow AI to create my video. Now, if you don't know how to use Flow AI is actually the studio by Google, where you can actually use View 3 to create those beautiful video content and all of that. But you can actually go on to try this tool. It's still a very powerful tool for video content creation. You just need to be creative around it and see what you get to create. I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this tool, or if you've tried it out and what your thoughts are on the tool. And if you want me to go on to create a video on how to create longer form videos using View 3, I'm going to go on to do that. If I get enough comments in the comment section around that, I'm going to go on to create that video. Another way you can actually access View 3 for free is to use another email address that you haven't used for a previous account, right? So if you have already gotten a View 3 account, or you've already gotten a Gemini account, you can actually use another email address to sign up another account so that you can get or jump on the free plan that allows you to use View 3 unlimited for 1 month. All right. So the actual price is 28,000, but when you're getting it for the first time, you get to not pay anything, right? So they just ask you for your credit card, and then you can go on to use the tool for 1 month. So that was how I started, right? It was after my credit got exhausted after 1 month that I now had to buy extra credits. Okay. So I hope you gain value, and thank you very much for staying until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.